Hi, welcome. My name is Ann Mitchell, and I am a structured literacy interventionist. And I am here to share about my tutoring business and help to start your summer reading program. Or not summer reading, but whether you're a reading teacher or a math teacher or whatever level you teach, I'm here to help you. Okay. But first, a little bit about me. Um, I started tutoring back in 2013, and after teaching in the classroom as a special education teacher, I started tutoring because one of our daughters struggled with mental health issues back then. And it was decided that I would stay home with her to get her to all her appointments. Since she wasn't a driver back then, now she is. When I first started tutoring, I started in the local library and going to my clients' homes. And I was driving and it was getting expensive and not seeing enough kids in the amount of hours after school. So I decided to move my tutoring business online in 2017, prior to COVID. Um, when the pandemic happened, I was busier than a chicken with her head cut off. Oh my goodness, I was so busy. Tutoring face to face or online, I can help you set that up, but this doesn't cover any of that. Discovering your niche is the first thing that we're going to cover in this video. And your niche is something like reading, math, writing, even arts and crafts or something like that. Um, in the summer, in Colorado anyway, the summer is usually the end of May to beginning of August. So you have 2 whole months, maybe 8 weeks to be able to tutor full time, but it's up to you. It's your business. And you can go on vacation, you can tutor for 1 month. It's up to you. That's what I enjoy about tutoring is my own schedule. The niche is when I first started tutoring as a special educator, I did dabbled in all the subjects. And my business was growing and not growing as fast as I wanted it to at the time. So I decided to niche it down and focus on reading. So I've been doing professional development and becoming certified in Orton Gillingham. And so I focus on reading, but if my families that I work with also struggle in math, I will add that on with an additional day or trying to juggle it in the sessions that we have. So it's best to start with one subject because then parents think that you're a professional with the one subject, unless, of course, they know you prior to your tutoring. Um, as far as pricing your services, you can, like I said, mentioned summer is usually 8 weeks, give or take a couple weeks. And you can say you're going to sell a one-time package and sell it one lump sum, or you can charge by the week if you're going to be tutoring once or twice a week. Um, and then you can use PayPal or Stripe, Venmo, all the good things, but just keep track of the money that you earn. So then that way at the end of the year, you can claim it on your taxes. Because if you do any kind of material purchases, like of course all teachers do, they are able to claim those as well on your taxes. Um, so in today's video, we covered discovering a niche or a subject and pricing your services and kind of doing your schedule the way you want to do it. So then the next video will be marketing made simple. And that is going to be how to get your first students and all that good stuff. All right. So happy tutoring, and I'll chat with you soon.